The Deschutes River, where it flows through our town here, is treasured by our community. Thousands of people every month use the trail along the river, or they're on their paddle boards and paddling this section of the river. The Upper Deschutes Watershed Council and the Bend Park and Recreation District came together more than 5 years ago now to think about how we can have more sustainable recreation on this river we love and take care of the health of the river. Along this site that's about 3/4 of a mile long, we had more than a dozen spots where stream banks were eroded. There was no more vegetation along the river, it was just bare soil, and we were seeing those banks significantly eroding back. Our two organizations kept thinking about how we could create a more sustainable opportunity to still allow people to access and use this space, but do it in a way where we're not eroding the health of this important river in our community. The Riverbend South Access and Restoration Project was born out of this idea with the intention to continue to connect people to this important site, while also looking out for the health of our incredible hometown waters.